Hey there, dear listeners of Takeaway Chinese. What you're checking out right now is a special edition just for you. More Than Mandarin. This is where we break down the finer details of frequently used words so you know the ins and outs of them. Let's take a listen.
What a great exchange between musical instruments from the East and the West. Our world today is home to over 8 billion people, spreading across more than 200 countries and regions. Exchanges between different civilizations infuse our world with vitality and paint it in a myriad of colors. They also help to drive progress in human society. Exchange in Chinese is 交流. 交 represents the action of intersecting or crossing. 流 means flow or circulate. The characters signify the dynamic and continuous nature of communication or exchange. Taken together, 交流 conveys the concept of people coming together, interacting and exchanging information or ideas. For example, 通过交流，我们可以相互学习和成长。We can learn from each other and grow together through communicating and exchanging ideas. The history of human development is a process of continuous exchanges, integration, and innovation between different civilizations. 文明因多样而交流，因交流而互鉴，因互鉴而发展。Diversity spurs interaction among civilizations, which in turn promotes mutual learning and further development. By embracing a mindset of openness and seeking out new ideas and philosophies, we're also promoting exchanges and mutual learning among civilizations. In so doing, we can break free from our preconceived notions and broaden our horizons. 交流 communicate or exchange. 你学会了吗?
If you enjoy this extra segment and want to watch the video version, just search for More Than Mandarin on Facebook or YouTube. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know if you appreciate our new edition. See you next time.